So here's how to sign out Microsoft account from all other devices. First, you want to open your browser and then navigate to Microsoft.com. And then you want to sign into the account that you want to sign all the devices from. Now, once you signed in, you can press on your profile logo and then click on My Microsoft Account. Now, once you are in the Microsoft account page, you want to go to Security section. And then you want to click on Manage How I Sign In. And then you need to confirm your identity. So they will send you a code through your recovery email or your phone number. Now, once you confirm your identity, you should see this page. Then you will simply need to scroll down till you see Sign Out Everywhere. And then you want to press Sign Out Everywhere. And that should sign you out through all the browsers and the apps or anywhere where your account is signed in, except Xbox, within 24 hours. You can also go back to the security section and then click on devices on the left. And in this page, you should see all your connected or linked devices to your Microsoft account. And you can individually click on remove a device to remove it from this list, which will unlink the device from your Microsoft account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.